Hey guys, new year and new video. Normally I do video about all kind of things I design, but that video wanna be for the people who have YouTube channel and they wanna keep them alive. We all know that every year you must have so many thousand views and so many subscribers to keep your channel alive. Without the numbers, they close your channel. So I'll make something and maybe I can show you how you can do it to get enough views and subscribers every single year to keep your channel working. And what is the most important, it's for free. So this is how we will do it. So now you may be asking, yes, you print the YouTube channel logo, you print your name, so what's the next? The next is actually pretty simple. Here in Holland, what we have a lot of traffic jams. We're calling them file. Doesn't matter. And me working on construction, it means sometimes being 3 hours or 4 hours or 5 hours on the road every single day. So why not use that time to have commercial for free? So I ordered the car sticker, it's cost €11, and so here it is, finally arrived. So, the job is done, so let's give it a try. here actually I want to stop that video, and you see I put that on my company bus, and the reason why it's going down and up, it's actually very simple reason. I have the YouTube channel and I like to have it, but when I'm working on construction and I come to the client, I just don't want that every client see what I'm doing in my private life. So that's the reason why it's made with that kind of tape, that I can just put it down and put it on wherever is needed. Plus I think my boss will also not like that I'm driving all around with that sticker on the background. So that's the reason why it's removable. Hey guys, new year and new video. So in the case you like the video, you can always click a like, or you can subscribe on the channel. See you next week.